Okay, so how to drive a car in a test. This is just demonstration. So we are going back towards Display Test Center.
Yeah.
Okay. So let's see if I'm going to pass the test or not. Alright. I will be doing a little bit commentary when I'm following the route as well.
Alright.
So how to drive a car in a test. Okay, examiner will be stopping you here. This is middle of the test and we're going to move off from here. So once you're ready, move off. Okay. So we do 6-point check. We apply signal and start moving. Yeah, once we move, I'm double checking my mirrors. This road speed is 20 miles per hour. Humps coming up. I'm not going to use much brake, just tiny bit of brake. Nice and easy. And I have checked the mirrors and I moved on. Speed is 20, I'm driving on 19. 20. So pedestrian crossing, they have seen me, I have seen they have slowed down. So I carried on without creating any confusion. Check the right center right mirror because hazard was in my left, so he is stopped because of me. I'll check center mirror, right mirror, and start going opposite here. End of the road, turn left. End of the road, turn left. Okay. So I check center mirror, left mirror. I have realized there's a motorbikes behind me. I will be extra careful. They have slowed down for me. I'm getting my position correct. No one coming, and I carry on moving. Speed still is 20. There's some reminder on the road speed. Speed still is 20 because we have a score in our left. We have a zebra crossing here, so I have scanned the area. There is nobody walking towards zebra crossing, so I'm going to sustain my speed, which is 20. Okay, pull up somewhere safe in your left. Mirror signal, the car behind me. So I will be very careful with my brakes. I'm not going to have sudden brakes. Nice and easy. Almost 2 car lengths. So once you're ready, move off please. Okay, no problem. I hold my signal because I don't want people coming from behind. They get confused. So I hold my signal. I apply signal once they're gone. Ambulance is coming from opposite side. I'm not going to bother about it because I am not their way. They are not in my way.
Right.
Traffic light, turn left. So I'm not going to apply a signal because I have a junction here. Mirror, and I apply signal. Traffic light turn into amber. Look, that's how we're supposed to brake. Let the car little bit crawl. This is gear 1. Nice and easy. You can use a handbrake at traffic light. I don't really use it. So when we're turning left, we can see we will be driving at tram lane. The speed from there is 30 miles per hour. So we need to stay in a zone where we are rather than keep thinking something has happened before or something is going to be happening. So we don't know what's going to happen there, so we need to focus only here. So next road, we turning left, mirror mirror, signal already there, double checking no cyclist coming. I'm focusing on left side only. So speed is 30 miles. This is tram speed, 30 miles per hour here. So when we're using a tram lane, so the recommendation is one wheel in the middle, one wheel in one side, and 30 miles road. So I should be driving almost 30, which is 29 I recommend. Nice weather today, isn't it? So pedestrian was walking, but she did slow down, so I'm not bothering about her. I have seen and I've responded what she was doing. So I've seen. Can you see the scooty? Yeah, disabled scooty there. So I've checked my mirror. I have a little bit increased the gap. I cannot be touching those double lines, and now I'm back. Okay. So I don't know what's happening ahead of us, so I'm just still driving nearly 30. Pedestrian has waited. Now this is where it's split. This is, you can see the cross line, so it means arrow is here. Traffic light, turn left. As soon as heard turn left, mirror mirror, left signal. Now I'm slowing down, nice and easy. So look, my car is just rolling, and now this is where I put gear 1, and I'm very tiny brake. Do you feel I stopped the car? That's how we're supposed. These are called good planning. So previously we came from there, now this time we're going from here. Turning left. There's no give way sign, but I'm still going to look into my right in case. Okay, ladies crossing the road, they look in a rush. I check my mirror, they have gone, mirror check, and I speed up. So we are back on Bromley Road. Yeah, Brownlee Road. So in this road, you might be following TomTom as an independent driving, or examiner might be asking you follow Altrincham sign. And once you see Manchester City Centre, follow Manchester City Centre sign. So we're going backward towards Chess Centre from Shah. Oh, hello, slow down, lad. Wow. You see that?
Yeah.
Mirror, mirror. I have to go towards left side. I need to be careful this marking, road marking. Nice and easy. And gear 1. So I have to ignore blue completely. Disbury roundabout, Disbury Test Centre, West Disbury. We don't go towards motorway. So we have white one, Shaston Industrial Area. Ignore that. Altrincham is in our left. So we still don't see Manchester sign. So I'm going to follow Altrincham until I see Manchester sign or Manchester City Centre. Going backward from here, first roundabout, first exit, second roundabout, second exit. Recommendation is both time keep your position far left. And then third roundabout, third exit. Now, the reason people fail, one of the common reasons, when they done first roundabout, when they're moving towards second roundabout, they don't recognize roundabout is literally there. They speed up. So you better stay calm, sustain your not very fast speed, just keep in them, you know. Yes, you are going. I'd never say drive 25, 24, 28, whatever. I would say to you, look what is happening ahead and follow that bit here. So it's green for a while, there you go. I have a good stopping distance from the car in front of me. So first roundabout, first exit, Altrincham and Manchester City Centre I can see from here. So nice and slow approach. So just focus from now. This is the area where most people make mistakes, and let's see how I'm gonna do it. And this is exactly I expect you or all students to do in their test. So second roundabout we are approaching. The second exit is kind of 2 o'clock, which is away. But we will keep, because it's not a spiral roundabout, we keep our positioning left. Look at my speed, quite slow.
Yeah.
This is very narrow roundabout. More than one lane is going to same exit. I have to have a nice and smooth, slow speed here on approach and at the roundabout both. So look, I'm just slowing down. I'm braking. I have no idea what is going on here. I'm slowing down. Gate 2. Nobody there.
Yeah.
Nice and slow. Let's move on. If somebody coming, I can stop. And now keep far left. This is exit 1. Mirror signal. I have to drive far left. Nice and smooth and slow within my lane. I'm not drifting away because I know the car might be coming from there. Done. Now I check my mirror speed. I know it's third roundabout, always third exit. Mirror signal. I'm assessing now. I speed up. Now this roundabout, third exit. So after this, street light, mirror signal. I'm not even bothering to look into my right side. I'm getting my positioning sorted. I have gone to gate 2. Nobody coming, and I start moving, and now I'm gonna focus in here. So once I move, exit 1, I have gone to gate 3. Signal goes off, I put it back on. Second exit. Now after second exit, mirror left signal, and I'm not changing much of it. I'm just slightly rolling towards left, so I don't allow anyone to overtake me. Now this is a slip road. I have to speed up. 50 miles road there. They're joining us from motorway, so I have to have a good speed. So blue car is fast, but I'm good enough as well. Once I join this ring road, the speed is 50. I have checked all of my mirror after sneezing. Because I'm going back to town center, my speed gonna reduce shortly. The road speed I'm talking about. Examiner doesn't mind if you drive 42, 43 when you're going back towards test center. You understand?
Yeah. Alright.
So from here I can see speed is 50.
Yeah.
Double check anybody joining me. No one joining us here. No. And now speed is getting 40. What should I do, sir? I check my mirror. And because I know speed is changing, I'm already on almost 40. And now I try to drive on 38, 39, which I am. And now after this junction, speed will be reducing further down to 30. I can see from here speed is going to be 30. I have checked my mirror, and I have relaxed the gas. Before I enter into 30 zone, from 40 to 30, my speed is 30. I have checked my mirror, I have double checked. Light is getting changed because I have saw the pedestrian. I'm taking action, same time I'm checking mirror. Mirror, 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 and carry it moving as well. So we're going towards Cholton now. This is where our test center is. We are left, okie dokie, mirror, mirror signal, mirror again, signal off. So now it's green for a while, so I have a little bit of gas, 3, 2, 1, I'm not going to bother about it. I have pressed the gas a little bit gradually. It's red, mirror, mirror, turning left. So nice and easy. Look, in this distance, my speed is almost. Look, that's how we approach. Look, we don't even need to stop. Double check mirror again because the cycle lane in our left. Extra careful. Follow the pavement, turn left. There you go. After this barrier, speed is 10 miles per hour, mirror, mirror. I'm not going to go to gear 1. I will keep as in gear 2, second row, turn left, please, mirror, mirror. See, in this turn, gear 1, because it's very tight, maybe somebody coming out. And when you get back in here, if it's very busy, examiner gonna say to you, just pull up in double line here, or if there's a space available in one of these bays, he's just gonna ask you, just drive into a bay. It won't be including a test. He want to get out of people way.
Alright.
You understand? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna do the right parking. So in a test, examiner can ask you to do forward bay parking in any car park. I check my mirror, mirror signal, almost in reference point. I must do my right blind spot check. Full lock, car almost straight, and I pause. Look, I have a camera in my car. I'm gonna double check through camera. It looks nice and smooth in it. Happy days. So this was a demonstration drive. Stay calm, stay in a situation, be aware of surrounding, plan for everything. Happy days. All right, sir?
Yeah.
All the best.
Thank you.